In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offer in the OpenSea marketplace. We'll move from finding the right collection to submitting a clear, time-bound offer. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io, the marketplace for NFTs. Before you begin, it helps to be signed in with your crypto wallet and to know which network and currency you plan to use, since some collections live on different blockchains and offers are chain-specific. On the OpenSea homepage, look to the left side and choose Collections. This is where you can browse projects instead of individual items. At the top of the Collections page, click Filter By to narrow your search. Start with Category to focus on what you want: art, gaming, music, and more. Next, adjust chains to show only the blockchain you intend to use, like Ethereum, Base, or Polygon. This ensures your offer uses the right token and avoids network mix-ups. If you already know the project name, you can also use the search bar to find it directly. When you see the collection you're interested in, click it to open the collection page. Spend a moment here checking the floor price, recent activity, and any notable traits. This context helps you craft a reasonable offer. Now select the specific NFT you want. On the item page, click Make Offer. A window appears where you can type the amount you'd like to offer. Consider recent sales, rarity, and the current floor. A competitive but sensible number improves your chances. If the collection uses wrapped ETH or another token, the form will indicate it. Choose how long the offer should remain valid by clicking the days option and setting an expiration that makes sense, long enough for the seller to see it, but not so long that market conditions might change against you. When everything looks right, click Review Item Offer. This summary is your last checkpoint. Confirm the amount, currency, fees, and expiration. Depending on your wallet and token balance, you may be prompted to approve a token or sign a message to submit the offer. Once submitted, your offer appears on the item's activity, and you can monitor it from your profile. That's it. You've filtered to the right collection, picked your NFT, entered a fair price, set an expiration, and reviewed the details so your offer lands cleanly and confidently.